ask you something. How many AI tools are you paying for right now? Chat tools, image generators, maybe even video tools. Because most people do not realize this, but using AI the normal way is actually much more expensive than it needs to be. This is what actually happened. You subscribe to one tool for writing, another for image generation, and then might be something else for content creation. For example, tools like Cloud are great for writing and thinking. Then you might use GPT image models for visuals. And maybe something like Happy Horse for creative generation. Individually, they are powerful, but together, you are stuck in multiple subscriptions every single month. I went through this myself. At one point, I had tabs open for different AI tools all day, switching between them, copying prompts, adjusting formats, and honestly, the biggest issue was not even the workflow. It was the cost, because you are not just paying for one tool, you are paying for access to each module separately. That is when I started looking for a better solution, introducing PixVerse. I came across PixVerse, and what stood out immediately was how simple it made everything. Instead of judging multiple platforms, PixVerse bring top AI models together in one place. We are talking about models like Cadence 2.0, GPT Image 2, and Happy Horse 1.0, all accessible without needing separate subscriptions. Instead of paying individually for different tools, you are getting access to multiple high-level models in a single platform. That means less switching, less setup, and much more streamlined workflow. Whether you are writing, generating visuals, or testing ideas, everything happens in one place. I can go from idea to execution much faster. If I'm brainstorming, I can use a model like Cloud for structured thinking, then immediately move into image generation without opening new tabs or managing multiple accounts. It removes a lot of friction. Then I'll talk about the cost for a second, because this is where it really matters. When you compare paying for multiple AI tools separately versus access several top models through one platform like PixVerse, it is simply more cost efficient. If you are a creator, this matters even more, because instead of worrying about which tool to use or how much each one costs, you can focus on creating ideas, content, and experiments without constantly thinking about switching tool. And if you want to try top AI models without paying for each one separately, check out PixVerse. Click on the link in the description on the bio and explore it by yourself. Guys, this was Lexi. Hopefully you liked the video about PixVerse, and I highly recommend it. If you want to use it, you can go below in the description and start using it for yourself. Instead of paying for like ChatGPT, Cadence 2.0, or more tools, this is way expensive. You can use PixVerse one-time subscription, and you have a lot of models, top models, no more tabs, no more subscriptions. Check the link in the description, and let's get started.